In this episode, I'm going to talk about something that we all suffer from, which is creating stories. Stay tuned for this episode and learn more about that thought process. Have you ever experienced this? That you are absolutely sure what happened, and then when you get to see what happened or you get things played back, you realize that you're wrong. Or for example, you look at people, you're wondering what they're doing, you might even question what management is doing, etc. And then when you get to know, it was nothing like what you expected. I'm sure you have at some time been experiencing that, and I did that yesterday, for example. I was watching an American football game and I was sure that I knew what happened in a certain situation, and then when they do the playback after, you realize that it's wrong. It didn't all happen, and sometimes I have to look at it several times actually to figure out what really happened. So the thing is this, that what really happens and the story you make up about what happens is not the same thing. The brain actually filters things for us to reduce the stress for us. So imagine if you had to process everything that you saw every day as if it was new, you'd be so tired by the end of the day. You can notice this, for example, if you're traveling to a new place and you have to learn to find your way, to drive, to talk to people, whatever it is you're doing, and you're so tired by the end of the day, and people say, well, it's a change of the air or something like that, but maybe it is. I wouldn't really know that, but I do know that one thing that happens is that your brain is working so hard to figure everything out so that it can calm you down tomorrow or the next time you go there. So this is a positive thing for us, but it's also tripping us up some once in a while, and then that's when we assume we know what is going on and we don't have to talk to people. And sometimes you see something, you get upset, you might go home, you talk to your spouse, to your friends, your children, now they are also upset. And then you come back to work, for example, or you talk to people and you figure out what really went on, and you learn that you were wrong. So now you spend a whole evening, maybe more, and you upset yourself and other people for absolutely no reason at all. So it's good to bear in mind, and we all do this, me too, bear in mind that what happens is not the same as the story you make up about what happens. We are story-making machines. You need to think about that. I need to do that. We all do. Hi, like and share, please. Send me an email if you want to talk more about this. I would really appreciate that. And again, thanks for listening.